Hi guys, today we're shopking, testing if a favorite YouTuber called Shopking is gonna go to a dinner and I'm gonna meet him finally. It took forever, so many tried just to get in the den.
We're not doing this again. We're not doing this again, Livia. No.
No.
Guys,
Who your love is some type of dog.
way too loud.
Let me see if he's on. Oh, he won offline. No fear. Shopking, why? He's offline. Shopking.
Oh, what?
He said, do you know Lily was on? I said, who that?
He's offline. No. Shopking is offline. No fear. Shopking.
He's next. You don't know.
Yeah, no. Confused.
Offline. No fear.
I honestly enjoyed when one of you sequel. Made my life so much more easy. You done with this?
Fair.
Oh, crap, mister. I'm so sorry. I forgot that I was even there. I'm so sorry,
No
mister.
fair.
I'm so sorry, mister. Stop talking to your work.
Yeah, I'm already done. What you mean?
Cry.
Erase it.
Do it again.
Erase it all. Do it again.
Do it again. Yeah.
Shopping's offline. Is offline. No fair. Cry.
Right animal. Right animal.
This is not fair.
1,000 times.
No fair. Shopping why?
Okay.
Shopping why?
Oh.
Let me search them again. Oh wait, I don't have to search them. Shopping why? Why shopping? I waited so long just to get it instead and he's offline. No fair. Oh, fully. I did not fair. I waited.
What you mean?
Oh, wait, hey, oh, wait.
So long
Where? You was like,
Oh,
to
wait.
get
What? What? What did you say? Go. I heard. I heard.
Goes online.
What did you say then?
Offline.
That's what I heard.
No fair. I'm triggered. I'm triggered. I'm triggered. I got scammed. Anyway, I got scammed today, and I got scammed. This is not fair. And I get scammed. And now this. And I get scammed. Great. In one day. And I get scammed. And I get scammed in the same day. In the same day. Same day. And I get scammed. I'm so triggered. I'm so triggered. And mad. I'm so triggered. I'm so mad and triggered. I'm triggered. I'm triggered too. I want to be in bed. No fair. I want to be in a video. It's not fair. This is horrible. I hate this. I hate this.
no.
I don't like this one bit. Let's say
I would not do that. Your slime is too sticky. What you mean? I can't.
Don't do it.
You're trying to type. Oh, shit. Ow. Milk.
This
What?
one
Every time you
not fair. Like this. I don't like this. This not fair. This not fair. I'm furious. Ooh, a sheep coat. Sheep coat. I need your sheep coat. I can try to trade at least. Are you the person that had the sheep coat? No, move! I want to see the person with the sheep coat. I want to trade the person with the sheep coat.
I need help.
Stop! I want the person with the sheep coat. Move! Bird! You stupid bird! Move! Let me see her. See if she has it on trade. Does she have her sheep coat on trade? No, she does not.
Activator is working, guys.
Yeah, no,
nerd glasses.
Hey, Angie.
Technically, ooh, yes, one spot. How many think good? I can trade both. Let's see if she likes my items. I will trade this. My good items. I will trade that, and I will trade something else. I will trade my pirate sword. I will trade my pirate sword. For this one spike. I've been trying to get one for a while. For this person's one spike, I'll trade it. Decline my trade request. I'll technically trade you for something else. Shopping. No fair! She got an auto! I wanted an auto too. No fair.
That's not real.
Wait, I want to see this. Whatever, you may have something good.
The volcano erupted. Yeah, right. No, what that says? Everybody.
Let me see what you have.
The volcano erupted. I never was. Hurry up, dang it! I'm trying to get this off my hand. It's like the super glue I put on my hand. Help me. No! Then I will never be done. Well, then I guess you have to
Just in time. I literally clicked it just in time. I just want something good. I literally want some items that I can keep. That I really like the most.
I have money to buy containers.
This
I go sue me over containers. They ain't gonna let you. It's a container.
no, I want to see the
I feel like drugs has been
box.
That's a container.
One spike, please. I mean the hat. No,
That's for a whole
okay,
pack.
you have one. Let's get back here.
Leafy.
Leafy.
What?
Oh, I cooked him.
What?
He does nothing
What?
good on trade.
What?
Great. Literally great. He didn't even have this hat on trade or the spike. Do you remember Fox? He's not on his bed. Yeah, you are not a member. That's a non-member Fox.
Yeah.
I wish I could Snapchat this quick. I'm gonna buddy you. A non-member Fox. I'm gonna unbuddy you. Whatever, it's a non-member Fox. That's shopping. I'm gonna troll people. About this shopping. Saying that. Shops in the shopping instead. That'll be funny. You're just shopping the shopping. That'll be really funny. I literally need something good. Let's see if any of that on trade. I think I checked this one person, or I did. I think I may have. I just may have. I literally may have. I checked it. Literally, I'm waiting patiently. Let's just see if I can find someone. Let me see. Shop King 8 times. You saw him 8 times. That's not fair. I saw him 0. Shop King 0. I never saw Shop King or Ben in a van. Shopking. Shopking.
She said I will.
Shopking. Shop.
Nothing, girl. Oh, you want me to get up?
Hey! Stop! Focus, stop! Hello? Stop! Go sit down, please. Go
Sorry,
sit down.
teacher.
You know what? I'm gonna call home. You have 5
Never
seconds to sit down. I'm
Ben.
calling home. 4, 3.
Ben.
Sit down, please.
Sit down.
You know what? I'm calling home. That's
I'm
disgusting.
going over there to get the
That's
car.
disgusting.
I never saw Shopking or Ben in his videos. No fair. My membership did a good when my membership expired. Wow, look at this non-member fox. Look at it. There's a non-member fox. Look at this. There's a non-member fox. Let me show my friends. Look at this person. There's a non-member fox. There's actually a non-member one. She even says how she got it. And I think I saw in Shopking.
Get it from behind though.
How? That person says how. It's not fair. Seriously. Look, this is a non-member fox. That's not fair. She gets to be a non-member fox. So I made trade for the nerd. She has one. I think I'll trade for this.
I got a block in my rod. Stop.
I'll trade for that.
That's what you're using. You're
I
breaking
want
the
one of
suffering.
these for a while and wanting one.
You're breaking the suffering.
What should I trade?
Stop.
I will trade a.
Stop! Fine.
I'll trade a warm blanket for that. I don't need it. It's not even. I don't like it that much. I could get us a warm spike for it. I'm gonna trade for it. With my warm blanket. And why? It's a warm blanket. Those are good. It's a good item. Let me go see if the coyote was. I really wanted to go see if the coyote has something good. No fair. This is still not fair. This is not fair. This is totally not fair. Not fair. This is totally not fair. Shocking. And he's even a gym ambassador. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I agree with this person. This box with the hair. And the rocker tail. I agree with her. Oh, come on, too. Same. Same here. Same. Same. I'm going to say same.
I'm asking one of you guys if you guys can help me. You need a slap off my head.
Okay, came for the box. So, you don't come after spikes. He's not going to trade you with spikes. You have to be lucky and get good stuff. For spike.
Bradley.
You forgot about non-member.
I'm putting it in your slide.
Yeah, leave his slide alone.
Next year I'm banning slime.
I'm never bringing any ever.
I'm gonna ban slime next year.
No, you're not. It's getting something for it. No, you're not. It's getting something for it.
Oh, she's a one spike. I love it. Oh, I wish I could have one of those. I think what you have on trade. Maybe she has one spike on trade. No, she did not. Why do you have one
Why are
spike?
you covered in my
That's the only non-member spike. Non-members, right? I better be love it.
Get out my
Better be
blanket.
love it. It's so
Blanket.
That's
The whole
non-member.
other time.
cool, Savannah.
Why everything
I love that glitch. I love it.
is like
I love that glitch. I'm in love with that glitch. Look at the non-member fox. Purple non-member fox with beanie. It's so